Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Boldly Goes Modelworks, and this is build update part 2 of Tamiya's 1/35th scale semi-half track with anti-aircraft gun and SD Cav Z 7.1 7/1. So as per yesterday, built up the chassis this morning, glued the top on. Obviously that's why there's tape at the front, because the nose tends to want to lift. So basically we shall hopefully get the seat in. Quite simple like that. What I'll do is I'll put some glue just here in the centre. One throw. Sorry, mouth's full of the thing. Locate it in the pinholes. Like that. Just like that. So we've got the seats in. Obviously this wasn't painted properly yesterday because I hadn't sprayed it up properly. That's the windscreen. Obviously I've got to put the glazing in at some point. Got to remember and that's the seat all folded up in the back there. And this has been painted khaki. Get it balanced on there like that. So we're looking a little bit more sensible with the kit building. So next thing I've got to do is do the winter wash when this is all this is dry. So we have to apply the winter wash on all the bits, like the blast shields, and then we've got to paint up the gun, the anti-aircraft gun, like so. That was an absolute bitch to build, I will say that. I decided I wouldn't hot solder that I was going to have the whole thing moving. I said, oh that's enough, and then I did it as a static display. Got to paint out the barrels. I think I've got to winter wash it first anyway, and then detail up the parts. So yeah, we're getting there. It's a sizable vehicle, because let's put the elephant in the room next to it, the tiger. spoilers. So yeah, I've got to weather that, by the way, so let's bring that over a bit. There we go. Give you a quick glance of the Tiger. There we go. So that's that. Again, this is just going to be a quick update on this. And the figures, obviously, lovely moulded. We've got the commander there. On you. The guy who's the tracker. One of the loaders. And the loaders for each side. So yeah, I've got quite a bit of painting to do. And they all fit on that gun. So I shall attempt to fit the because I had to modify his feet because he wouldn't go in. And he still won't go in. Come on, you bugger. Go in. He will go in, honest. I did work it out how to get him at the figure in. I can't see that paint's had that much of an effect on the figure. So we won't worry about him. Yeah. He needs a little bit of persuasion to get fitted. He did fit on it once. So I'm, yeah. Most of the detail isn't added to the back of the figures yet because obviously we can't do that. So his tracker. A right loader, left loader, and the... What's the other chap called? Carrier. That's what he's called. This chap here. And they need just a little bit of clean up because they had a lot of flash on them. They're handy because they're white. Took me quite a while to build them. Obviously that's why I've left these blast shields off, because obviously make the guns easier to paint. And I can set those shields in their deployed position. Like so. Or have them in the folded back position like that. So anyway, that's enough of me waffling. And basically, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And bye for now.